is Noreen from Joya Cards, and I have some retired stamp sets that I would like to sell. So I want to show you what I have left. I did a video before, and I have actually sold most of my stuff, but I still have some stuff left. I have Vibrant Vases. This comes with a vase punch, but I'm keeping it because it's still good. So I have Vibrant Vases. I also have Varied Vases. I have Tiny Keepsakes. I have the Gangs All Mirror. This one's so cute. If somebody doesn't buy it, I'm just keeping it. I have Power of Hope, another beautiful set. And guess what? I have two. So definitely get some of these. Merry Christmas to All. This has got a whole bunch of Christmas stuff on it. It's really super cool. Making Every Day Bright. This goes with that punch that has the little light bulb on it. So that's cute. I Say Hello. So this is like a birthday. It has edging. It's flowers. It's really cool. And then I have Happy Birthday to You, which comes with the dies. So the die and the stamp set. Happy birthday to you. I have Delightful Day. I really like this because they showed this in the catalog last year. This little stamp on the envelope. It looks really cool. I've got Budding Borders. I also have Broadway Birthday with the die. Super cool. I have Any Occasion. And I have Abstract Impressions. Now, all the stamp sets are $10. And those two that have dies, the dies are also $10. So if you get the stamp with the die like Broadway Birthday, that's $20 for both of these. I also have some paper left. I have a bit of Peaceful Poppies, not too much. And if you order a stamp set, what I can do is I can cut these in 6x6 and get it into a smaller box so it isn't so bad. I have a bunch of Perennial Essence. I have a whole bunch of Lily Impressions, and I bought a lot because it's such a beautiful paper, so I have a lot of it left. I also have a few pages of Sea Silhouettes, but I have a brand new package of it. So brand new, unopened. And Tropical Oasis, I have a few pages left. So those are all my retired things that I sell direct. Do not go on my Stampin' Up site, but my Joy of Cards site, you can send me a message there or go to Noreen@joyofcards.com, and that can also get to me, or write a comment in this video. Also, any of the videos that you see of my cards, I give away the demo card. If you're a first-time subscriber and you put in the comment, hey, I like the card, and put your email. You got to put your email, otherwise I can't talk to you. A lot of people have won the card. They didn't put their email, and I reply back, hey, you won the card, but they never look back. So put your email, and I might have demo cards from older videos that happen to be available, so you never know. And all it is subscribe, email me, I email you back, get your address, and it appears magically in the mail. So that's another thing. I also have a July promotion. If you order $150 of product online, this is July, you get a stamp set from the new catalog from me for free. So that's fantastic. On top of the fact, if you order for $150 from Stampin' Up, and this is before tax and shipping, you get rewards of at least $15. So you'll have your $15 reward, and you have to go on my noreenbrungart.stampinup.net, or if you just go on the generic site and put my host code, that X4V TVY2X, it'll count for me as well. And I will ask you which stamp set you want in the catalog, $21 or less, and I'll mail it to you for free. So that's cool. Also, if you need a holiday catalog, I have them. So just email me and I will send you out a catalog, and that's Noreen@joyofcards.com. So anyway, so I hope you see some stamp sets you like, and that'll do it. Thanks. Bye.